I have a pair of sneakers. I have this with me for about a year. Fortunately, I seldom use it. And what happened was, when the other day, when I was about to use it, this this is already coming out, separating from the top sole. So I was thinking of bringing it to a top of the line repair shoe shop. So what I did, I went to just around the corner a shoe repair shop, and what he did was he stitched it. You see that? It's been stitched. See the stitching there? All around. Fantastic. Love it. And both of them, I had the stitch. It doesn't show because what he used was black thread. Hopefully, I can use it for another couple of months. This I want to share with you. Thanks.